This video is gonna be like a pep talk, no, like for real, because most people seriously only post what 20-30 times and then they just give up on being a creator, and that's not how this game works. Because I posted over 300 plus times, and in this video I'm gonna teach you the exact most important things that it has taught me, that it has allowed me to become a full-time creator and do actually the things I love to do and not work a fucking 9-to-5 job. So the first major key points, and it's actually the most important points of all of these, is that consistency seriously wins at everything. Because when you are showing up each and every single day, or at least 5 times a week on someone's feed, you're not only going to have the most chance to build trust, because you're just constantly on their feed. Every time you go on there, you're like, oh yeah, I just saw that guy yesterday. Oh, he's on here today. Damn, like this guy really wants to not only build a connection with me, but show his life and show his brand or whatever you guys are selling, or creator, or whatever you guys do. You're not just giving yourself the biggest opportunity to become better each and every single day, but accumulate the audience and grow views each and every single day. Because you're gonna be getting new people every single day if you just keep showing up and showing up and showing up, and you're gonna be getting better each and every single day. Because if you do something 300, 400, 500 times, you're just going to get good. And it's funny because the more I posted, the more I made content, not only did I get better, but I understood how to make content better, how to get faster, how to become and level up everything in just not only my creativity, but also my life. It's kind of funny how if you stick to something to become consistent, it actually helps out all of your other attributes in life. So, and point 2 I want to make is that systems will save your creative journey. And what I mean by that is because when I was at post, I'd say 50, I was just not wanting to create anymore. Like I was at the point where, because everything was just jarring and fucking with my head, because everything took forever to create, that I felt like I was not getting the time I was putting in to come right back at me. So I had to figure out something to keep creating, or else I would have just quit. And that's where systems come in place. Now, I recommend each and every single person always creating systems to automate each and every single task. So for instance, if you guys script your videos, why don't you just let ChatGPT help you do it? Don't make it do it, but help you use it as a tool. And seriously, like this video, I'm using ChatGPT right now. Then other systems I like to use is presets for editing. So if you guys don't have an editor and you edit your own videos, then presets are an absolute game changer, especially when you optimize your editing workflow and have the layouts, the presets, every single thing that's cultivated just for you. So you're not constantly doing the exact same repeated task all again and again and again and again. All you have to do is to do a simple drag and drop solution. And that's exactly what I help people do. So if you want to learn how to edit super duper fast, I actually created a batch editing workflow that allows me to create 10 high quality reels in the time it used to take me just one. And I'll leave all my editing packs and that workflow and thousands of trial and error experience are all in my short form editing course. Well, I'll leave down the link in the description. So you guys can be editing just like me, or take your time freedom back, or even, hey, if you want to, you can sign more clients, because you're going to be editing super duper fast in such a short amount of time. It's going to blow your fucking mind. So once again, I'll leave that down in the link in the description. And point 3 is going to be feedback and perfectionism. Because you guys have to first let go of perfectionism in order to actually get good feedback. And what I mean by that is because not every single one of your videos is gonna be perfect. And more importantly, people don't give a shit about your videos if they're perfect or crazy edits or stuff like that. Like seriously, people do not care. And it's funny because 90% of the videos that you try to make perfect are actually the videos that never pop off, and the ones that you kind of say like, yeah, I'll just like throw it out there and let it go. Those are the videos that go crazy, because that's exactly how my videos, and that's exactly how all the experience I've cultivated throughout the years have proven each and every single time. Now, the most important feedback that you can get is not the likes, it's not even the comments, it's the retention that you're holding them all the way to the end. And the feedback you get from people is very important because it shows you that if you're making good content, you're watching all the way to the end. And not only that, but if you look in the comments and there's not haters in there and there's actually genuine good people that got value out of your content, you know that you're in the right path. So if you're a creative trying to grow, which I hope you are, don't chase the perfect post. Make sure to systemize each and every single task you can do. Watch all of your data and feedback because those are going to be the key factors in building your personal brand in the future. And most importantly, always stay relentless. That is my brand key, and I always preach this on everyone. So make sure to be showing up each and every single day, staying consistent, and stay relentless. Because in an infinite game, whoever stays the longest is going to win.